So the 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 mama of the little small is that one, right?
Yeah.
How old they?
She's probably 3 years old.
3 years old, the small one?
That hen.
The hen. The hen,
And
yeah.
the rooster.
And the other one. So it's the same year too?
Yeah. No, one of these hens is 2 years old.
Right.
Because one of these hens is his baby.
Right.
Right here.
And how the egg big? It's big, or it's more like a bear, like a bird, or like the egg?
The egg?
Yeah, it's big or small?
No, it's small.
It's too small.
2 eggs make a medium egg.
Okay, now how long this little baby? The baby? The small chicken?
Uh-huh.
How old they?
4 months old, maybe.
Oh, 4 months old?
4 months old, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think my friend here, when I'm talking to my friend here about the little roaster here and the small chicken and kids there, about the old age, like in my country, we can't get like this one.
Yeah.
But because country, we need something to eat, something big.
Yeah.
But now this one, it look like maybe this bad, what? It look like a bad. That's what I try to say.
Yeah.
But I know sometimes here, this small chicken, like a lobster, some others, they make money to take the fighting, like a mescal,
Hey, they fight these.
Collect.
I don't.
Yeah, you don't, yeah.
They do fight these little bitty chickens.
Right.
They put knives on them.
Oh, man.
I used to fight chickens.
Yeah.
I had, across the street there,
Right.
I probably had 50 game roosters to fight
Oh, man.
at one time.